Okay, so here's Desmos. Let's just start with a circle. So if I want to do a circle, I'm going to do x, and then I'm going to do that little caret. It's above the 6 squared. Okay. Plus y squared. Now, notice here there's a little exclamation point. That means that, like, it'll tell you if there's something wrong if you hover over it. Obviously need to add an equal sign so that I get an actual function here, and then that's what we'll graph. So check that first of all to see if that's something that's going wrong. Now, if I want to, let's say I want to move this around a little bit, I can always add in, let's see, some parentheses and make this x minus 1 squared, right? So that moved it to the right one. Let's make this, let's see, y plus 3. How about that? Okay, so I moved my circle around. A parabola is going to be a little more interesting, but you probably want to do it in vertex form. So let's say I want to do, let's see, I think I want these to touch. So I'm going to make this the same. And then I'm going to, I don't know, let's say I want to make it a little bit maybe wider. Let's make it like this. Okay, now I've got a nice big fat parabola. Okay. Let's say I wanted to move this down a little bit. So I wanted to make this -4. There we go. So I can kind of move it around by changing the equation a little bit. Multiplying a number in front will make it wider or skinnier. So like if I made this an 8, it would make it super skinny. And then changing the number here and then the number at the end will move it up and down, and then inside is side to side. Let's say I wanted to cut this off I'm going to cut it off right here at -1 and at, let's see, +3. So I can restrict the domain. So I can do -1 is less than x is less than 3. And I've got a nice little cutoff parabola, if you will. Okay, so let's say I just want to do something really simple. I'm going to make a smiley face or something. So I'm going to put in a circle for an eye. So let's see. Actually, I just want to do x squared plus, and then I'm going to do y -2 squared equals 1/4. Let's make it really tall. Okay, so now I wanted that down within my circle. Obviously, I made it too high, right? So let's move it down. So I should have made that +2. There we go. Okay. So now I've got another eye, and I can make another one. I can even copy this equation, right? So it's the same. And then I'm just going to change the x to, let's see, -2. There we go. Okay. So now I've got a little smiley face here. So hopefully that kind of helps. I could do some parabolas or whatever around whatever to make it into something that I want to do. But check your equations, make sure that you've got them set up in the right way. It could be that you're missing a piece or something like that that's causing you issues. If you're still struggling, just send me a screenshot of what you have, and I can usually look at it and figure out what's going on. It's kind of hard for me if I can't see it. Okay. So let me know what I can help with, and hopefully this helps you a little bit. Okay. Let me know, and I'm happy to troubleshoot with you.